nightmares, somebody gotta listen. Overfishing threatens the whole marine ecosystem. It's not a game, it's really insane. When it comes to meat, there's no such thing as humane. Take a look around, you gotta listen now. No matter what, we gotta do what's right. In this world we see, animals ain't free. It's time we give these animals the rights. It's time we give these animals the rights. It's time we give these animals the rights. Yeah, and it just doesn't make sense. We violate animals by doing experiments on them, and these procedures are just awful. And it sucks cause these species, AWA ain't got them.